Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Medicine Corner. I am Mukul Sarma, subject teacher. Today I shall discuss about what is factorial n. That is factorial n. অসমীয়াত to ক্ৰমগণিত n বুলি কয়. The product of first n natural number is called factorial n. n টা স্বাভাৱিক সংখ্যাৰ প্ৰথম n সংখ্যক স্বাভাৱিক সংখ্যাৰ পূৰণফলক আমি factorial n বুলি কম আৰু it is denoted by n factorial. This is symbol, or we can symbolize it as factorial n. That is therefore we can write 1 2 3 up to n is equal to, that is factorial notation, that is n factorial, or that is example. That is one of the example I want to do. That is factorial 7. In case of factorial 7, we write 1 to up to 7 into 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7. We can write it also reverse order. That is 6, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, 1. It is better to write factorial n in this pattern. It is better to write this. Similarly, factorial 10. Factorial 10, that is from 10 to up to 1. It is 10 into 9 into 8 up to 3 into 2 into 1. The similar factorial 20, it is 20 into 19 into 18 up to 3 to 1. That is. There are some example and some solution, some problem in the exercise number 7.2, that is find the value of factorial 8. That is factorial 8. Factorial 8 is a product of natural number 8 to 1. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is 40320. Solution number 2, that is factorial 4 minus factorial 3, that is factorial 4 is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and factorial 3 is 3 into 2 into 1, therefore 24 minus 6, this is 810. Next, it is find the value of, that is find the value of, this is question number 3. This is factorial 8 divided by factorial 6 into factorial 2. Oh, solution. Factorial 8 divided by factorial 6 into factorial 2. Factorial 2. We can write it as factorial 8 into factorial 7 into, we can stop it at factorial 6. 8 into 7 into factorial 6. Because there is factorial 6, so factorial 6. We can cancel this easily. Factorial 2 is 2 into 1. Factorial 2 is product of natural number 2, 1 to 2. Well, 2 to 1. Therefore, this cancel. 56 by 2, that is 28. Find the values of x. Find the value of x if 1 by factorial 6 plus 1 by factorial 7 is equal to x by factorial 8. How can we solve this? This is 1 by factorial 6 plus 1 by factorial 7 is equal to x by factorial 8. At first we have to প্ৰথমতে আমি factorial হৰবিলাকত ডেনোমিনেটৰত যিবিলাক factorial আছে factorialটো একো কৰিম. factorial 6 টো আমি as it is ৰাখিম আৰু এইটো লিখিব পাৰি 7 into factorial 6. 7 into 7, this is actually 7 into 6 into 5. We can stop it at factorial 6. 6, therefore 6 is factorial 6. This can be written as 8 into 7. We can stop here because there is factorial 6. Now we cancel factorial 6, factorial 6, factorial 6 from both sides. Therefore, this can be cancelled. This is cancelled. This is cancelled. And what is the remaining remainder? This is 1. This is 1 by 7. This is x by 8. We can easily find out the value of x from here. It is 7, 8, x by 8. From this 7x this is 8 into 7, it is 56, that is. Therefore 56, this is 7x is equal to 8 into 56. From this we can write 8 into 56 by 7. This is 64. Therefore x is equal to 64. Now one important to note that factorial 0 is equal to 1. How we can prove it? Factorial 0 is equal to 1. Solution. We can write, we know factorial n, this can be written in n, next step n minus 1, that is, if we stop at n minus 1, that we have to give factorial n. We can write factorial n is equal to n into n minus 1, because factorial 7, we can write this x 7 into. Now factorial n is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. Putting n is equal to 1. Here factorial 1 minus 1. Factorial 1 is 1. This is factorial 0. Therefore 0 factorial. Therefore 0 factorial is equal to 1. Permutation. What is permutation? Each of arrangement which can be made by taking some or all of a number of things is called permutation. Each of arrangement প্রত্যেকটো সজ্জাই তাৰমানে এটা বস্তুৰ পৰা আমি গোটেইকেইটা বা যিকোনো তাৰে কেইটামান লৈ যিবিলাক আমি সজ্জা পাব পাৰোঁ আৰু তাকে আমি permutation বুলি কওঁ. For example, if there are 3 objects, say A, B, C, then the permutations of these objects taking 2 at a time. If we can take 2 at a time, then the arrangements are AB, BA, BC, CB, AC, CA. So number of permutation of 3 different things taking 2 at a time is 6. If there are 3 things and if we take 2 at a time, then number of permutation is 6. It should be noted that is very important. It should be noted that permutation, in the permutation, the order of the arrangement is taken into account. আমি order to আমি ইয়াত count কৰিব লাগিব, taken into, because AB is one permutation and BA is there another permutation. Similarly, BC is one permutation and CB is another permutation. Second note, that is, it should be noted that repetition of anything or any number in the arrangement is not allowed. Repetition to kintu yat allowed nohoy. My example loisu yar karone. In the above example, we cannot make permutation by taking AA. we cannot take A. If we take A at first, then we cannot take A in the next. Therefore, we cannot make permutation by taking A. Similarly, we cannot make permutation BB. Similarly, we cannot make permutation with CC, etc. Similarly, there are also, if we take C at a time, this is ABC is the one permutation, BAC also another permutation, and CAB are also another permutation, though there are CAB, because order of this are sense. But we cannot write AA. We cannot write repetition. Here A is repeated. Therefore, we cannot write AAB, or we cannot write ABB, or we cannot write ACC, or we cannot write AAA, BBB, etc. In case of permutation. Therefore, in case of permutation, repetition is not allowed. Our theorem, this is one of the most important theorem, that is, if 0 less than or less than equal n, and a repetition is not allowed. In case of permutation, repetition is not allowed. Then the permutation of n different objects taking r at a time is n minus 1, n minus 2, up to n minus r plus 1. This is and it is denoted by NPR. That is, NPR is equal to NPR, n minus 1, n পৰা কমি গৈ থাকিব কিমানলৈ n minus r plus 1 লৈ কমি থাকিব। এটো হল আমাৰ definition theorem. NPR, we can write NPR as this, but we use another formula for NPR, that is here prove that NPR is equal to factorial n minus r. Actually, next we have to solve the problem, any problem we use, it is better to use this formula. Prove that NPR is equal to factorial n minus r. But এই ফর্মুলাটোহে আমি পিছত ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিম। NPR মানে factorial n minus r factorial। আৰু এটো কেনেকৈ হল, we know NPR is equal to n ৰ পৰা কমি থাকিব up to n minus r plus 1 লৈ, যেহেতু n টা বস্তুৰ পৰা আমি r টা লৈছো, গতিকে n minus 1, n minus 2 up to n minus r plus 1. This implies NPR is equal to n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus r plus, ইয়াৰ পৰা যদি আকৌ আমি কমাই দিওঁ, n minus r হ'ব, নেক্সট যদি আৰু কমাই দিওঁ n minus r minus 1 হ'ব, এনেকৈ কমি গৈ থাকিলে এটা সময়ত 3, 2, লাষ্টত 1 লৈ আহিব। আৰু এইখিনি বস্তু n minus r ৰ পৰা 1 লৈ যিখিনি বস্তু লিখিলো, এইখিনি আমি ইয়াতো লিখিব লাগিব, কাৰণ ইয়াতে আমি এইখিনি বস্তু এক্সট্ৰা কৰি ইনটু কৰিছো, গতিকে এইখিনি আমি ডিভাইড কৰিব লাগিব n minus 1 ৰ পৰা up to 3 to 1. এটা n ৰ পৰা up to 1 লৈ, in the product of n natural number, there is 1 up to n, therefore it is factorial n. আৰু এইটো হ'ব 1 minus r ৰ পৰা 1 লৈ গৈছে, 1 ৰ পৰা n minus r লৈ প্ৰডাক্ট হৈছে, গতিকে এইটো হ'ব factorial n minus r. This is all about the proof of the theory, NPR is equal to factorial n minus r. Next class I shall discuss some problem which are in the exercise number 7.3.